Question number 5 says, tennis shoe is to shoelace. Okay, tennis shoe is to shoelace. Tennis shoe is the whole object, right? And part of the shoe is shoelace, right? So we're looking for whole to part, but not any whole to part. We're looking for, well, what is this part? What is the importance of this part? It's a functional part, right? Like for the shoe to function correctly, it needs a shoelace. Otherwise, it's going to be taken off easily, right? So it's a functional part. What do I mean by this? Well, it's a functional part that helps the whole to function correctly. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a part that helps the whole to function correctly. Let's go. Well, A, beak is the bird. Well, beak is a part of the bird, right? Here, the relationship is part to whole, and we're not looking for part to whole, we're looking for whole to part. And also, there is another reason that we cannot really choose A. Not only because it's a part of a whole, not whole of a part, but because is this a functional part? Like, is this a part that helps the bird to function correctly? Or is it a biological part of the bird? It is a biological part. Like a bird cannot be a bird without a beak, right? Because this is how its body was actually created. So we cannot really choose the same A because of two reasons. Because it's part to whole, not whole to part. That means the first word is the part, not the second word. And we want the first to be whole and the second to be a part. And the second reason is that beak is a biological part, not a functional part. And we're looking for a functional part. Let's go to B. Computer is to keyboard. Well, what is the whole? Computers or keyboard? The whole device is called computer. And part of this computer is called keyboard. Is it part to whole or whole to part? Whole to part. Isn't it the same? Yes, it's the same. Okay, but let's see. Is this a functional part? Yes, it is a functional part. For the computer to function correctly, it needs a keyboard. Without the keyboard, we cannot type. That means the computer won't function correctly without the keyboard. So it's a functional part. And this is what we're looking for. Aren't we looking for a functional part that helps the whole to function correctly? Yes, we are. Let's go analyze the others before we decide if this is the correct one. Reptile is to cold-blooded. Well, all reptiles are cold-blooded. Isn't this a characteristic? Yes, it is actually a characteristic. So the relationship here is a characteristic. Like the second word is a characteristic of the first word here. Cold-blooded is a characteristic of reptiles. Are we looking for a characteristic? No, we're not. So thank you so much. Blubber is to walrus. Well, what is walrus? Walrus is a sea animal. It's related to the seals, if you know, like it's a sea animal and it's related to the seals, okay? You know, that big fatty sea animal. What is blubber? Blubber is like layers of fats. So blubber is layers of fats. Blubber is part of the walrus body. That means the walrus is the whole and part of the walrus is blubber. Are we looking for part to whole? Again, we're looking for whole to part, not part to whole. This is the first reason that this is incorrect. The second one, is it a functional walrus? Like, is it a part that helps the walrus to function correctly? No, it's actually a part of its body. That means it's a biological part. It's not a functional part. Unfortunately, we're not looking for biological part. We're looking for functional part. And number one is the whole functional part, and the number one is the whole. And we finally got it. It's computer to keyboard.